BusyScribe AI is a newly released AI software that promises to transform your content creation process. But is it really as groundbreaking as it claims? In this BusyScribe AI review, I'll cover the 7 crucial things you need to know before diving into this tool. Make sure to stick around till the end, as I'll share my honest opinion about whether this software is worth your time, and I'll also reveal where you can try it completely for free. First off, what is BusyScribe AI? This software leverages artificial intelligence to automate the transcription process, allowing you to convert audio and video files into text with impressive accuracy. If you're tired of spending hours transcribing your content manually, BusyScribe AI is designed to save you time and effort. It's a game changer for anyone involved in content production, whether you're a marketer, podcaster, or YouTuber. One of the standout features of BusyScribe AI is its speed. Unlike many transcription tools that can take forever, BusyScribe delivers transcriptions in a fraction of the time and with an accuracy rate that rivals professional transcribers. Whether you're dealing with a podcast episode, a webinar, or even a YouTube video, this software quickly converts speech into text with minimal errors. Next, let's talk about its user interface. The platform is incredibly intuitive. Even if you've never used transcription software before, BusyScribe makes it easy to upload files, edit, and download the final output. You don't need to be tech savvy to get started, which is a huge plus. The simplicity of this interface helps you focus on your content without getting lost in complicated settings or menus. But speed and simplicity aren't all. What sets BusyScribe AI apart is its accuracy in handling different accents and speech patterns. It's a key feature that makes it more reliable than many other transcription tools on the market. You won't have to constantly re-edit the output to correct misheard words, especially with non-native speakers or technical jargon. BusyScribe's ability to transcribe with accuracy is a real time saver, especially when dealing with diverse content. Another benefit is its integration with other popular software. Whether you're using tools like Zoom, Google Meet, or Dropbox, BusyScribe integrates seamlessly with these platforms, making it even easier to pull in your recordings for transcription. This eliminates the need for manual uploads and saves you valuable time. Now, let's talk pricing. BusyScribe offers a free trial that lets you explore the core features before committing to a subscription. This makes it a risk-free opportunity to see if the software fits your needs. The paid plans are affordable, considering the time it saves you and the quality of transcription you're getting. Lastly, BusyScribe AI is more than just a transcription tool. It's built for creators who want to repurpose content. You can use the transcriptions to create blog posts, captions, and even social media content. This makes it a versatile tool for anyone looking to maximize their content's reach and impact. You can try BusyScribe AI for completely free through the first link in the description below. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or entrepreneur, this software could seriously change the way you work. But before you go, I want to let you know that I've tested thousands of AI tools, and I've listed my top recommendations in the description as well. Make sure to check them out. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, fast, and reliable transcription tool, BusyScribe AI is definitely worth considering. It saves time, improves workflow, and lets you focus on the creative side of things. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and as always, don't forget to check the description for more free AI tools.